Hello there and welcome back to our channel. My name is Cynthia Wakio, Communication and Events Manager at Corporate Staffing Services. And today we're looking at job search strategies and how you can utilize LinkedIn to maximize your job search. I'm joined by our recruitment manager, Chris Kimani, who is going to be telling us more about this. Karibu sana tena.
Asante.
So, yeah, I'm glad to have you back.
Should have me more.
Yeah? Well, yeah, in future we will consider that. So let's look at LinkedIn as a job search platform.
Okay.
What kind of potential does LinkedIn hold for a job seeker?
LinkedIn being it's a professional platform. So this is where you'll find all the companies, all the recruiters, HR, all kind of professionals. They're on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not like, well, Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. So if you're a job seeker, you're able to approach these people, although some approaches sometimes, you need to state where you're looking, you're inboxing me. As a recruiter, sometimes somebody just tells you hi.
Yeah.
So you're just wondering why just say hi and then state, if you tell me hi and you tell me, my name is so-and-so, I am looking for a job in this maybe industry, and this is maybe my CV, maybe you can look at it. I will of course let you know if we either have an open position, or I can guide you on what to do next. But if you just go there and just say hi, it doesn't work like that. So it can give you it has a lot of potential for job seekers to get, even target. If you have maybe wanted to work for corporate staffing, you just target and look at who recruits for corporate staffing or any company that you want to work for. Maybe, sometimes you reach a point where you target companies that you want to work for. So it's very easy for you, instead of now going to their info email that are all over, in the other social medias, you just go to LinkedIn and find out who is their HR. Or, you can just even just inbox them and ask them, are you hiring for any role? Maybe you can find my CV. Let me know if you have sometimes you even do that just blindly, and maybe they were looking for that person, they've not advertised. So it has a lot of potential for job seekers. But for you to be able to do that, you have to have a very good LinkedIn profile. You can't just send a profile that has nothing. I can't see anything. I can't see your skills. I can't see your qualifications. How am I supposed to? It's not, LinkedIn is not like a resume or a CV. So I need to be able to see all those things.
Yeah.
So, but the moment you send me your CV, if I reply to you and you can see your CV, then you can be able to approach someone and you talk to them, and most people will reply to you. Most, I'm not sure about, but most people will.
Yeah.
Yeah, they might be busy, but they'll take a week or two, even a month. But at some point, when people just go through their inbox and they decide, let me just get back to all these people who have been inboxing me.
Yeah.
So it has a lot of potential if you're looking for a job.
Yeah. Basically, you have to be strategic about it. It's just
you
hi.
can't just go telling everyone hi.
Yeah.
Because you see, at the end of the day, this is somebody who is busy.
Yes.
They are there doing, maybe try to headhunt people, trying to look for professionals. So if you come there and tell me hi, I'll just dismiss you at some point, because why? Hi and then what? What do you want?
Yeah.
Hi, say hi and then say, this is what I need. Just continue with the need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's go to the nitty-gritties of ensuring like LinkedIn works for you when you're looking for a job.
Okay. As I said, LinkedIn is not like a resume. So you need to make sure you update your LinkedIn, your skills, any qualification that you get, put it in there, certification, put it in there, because this is somewhere you can put a lot of, if you have articles, post them. People, if you write articles, if you do, even like reposting, people don't understand that part, because the moment I repost something, somebody else will like. And then that somebody, anybody who is in their, is it called?
The circle.
Yeah, they'll see it. So it's the power of just being involved. You cannot be looking for a job on LinkedIn and only the time you go there is when you don't look for a job. You have to be active on LinkedIn. You have to make sure your what is it called? Your profile is updated.
Yes.
You have updated your skills. Any skill that you get that is a new skill, update it there. If you have a new job, let people know you have started a new job, or a job that you had.
Yeah.
It's over. That thing that you put that's open to work.
Open to work.
Yeah, sometimes you go to LinkedIn and I want somebody who's not working. I'll just go and see anyone. I see green. That's the only people I'm going to click on, because I'm looking for people who are open to work. Because maybe I'm looking for somebody who I need maybe to start. So sometimes it helps. And also when you put that, people will help you at some point. There are good people out there and they might help you because they can see you're looking for a job. Because sometimes you're like, this person is employed here, you know. Yeah, so it's important. Update, let people know you're looking. That's important because there is that part where you can be able to do that. LinkedIn has given you that ability to be able to let people that you're looking for a job. Yeah. Also, always search, like I say, a recruitment manager. Just do an advanced search on LinkedIn. It will give you so many people who are looking for a recruitment manager. Have the keywords. You can even pick something, or like you look at a JD, like a job, of like a JD that has, look for keywords that you can search, put all of them there. They'll give you so many options of jobs that are available. Maybe locally, abroad. If you want it locally, you put it just locally. If it's abroad, put it everywhere. And they'll give you all the jobs that you need to get. It has so much potential. There's so much you can do with LinkedIn. I don't think we've discovered everything that we can do with LinkedIn. There's a lot. Yeah. Yeah.
When it comes to other aspects other than what you've just mentioned, I feel like also joining the right groups and following the right people in your industry. Yeah. It's just not, again, to just repost. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, because the groups, let's say example, if you're in events management, if you're in communication, make sure you join groups that are with other people who are in your profession. These are people who will let you know their job somewhere. They are going to post jobs. Yeah. If they have a vacancy in their maybe company or they know somebody. Yeah. That's how you network. That's all about networking. That's why you get to get people who know these things and they'll tell you. Also endorsement. Ask people you've worked with to endorse you on LinkedIn. Yeah. You see those endorsement people have, like you think they're just there. It's like a referee. The people will call you for your ref check. Those people who endorse you on the skill that you have, they can even ask people to write a ref for you. You know, say I worked with this person, they're good at this. It's very important. At least somebody else has spoken about you, not just you speaking about yourself. Yeah, endorsements are also very important.
Yeah. Yes. So as we wrap up, do you have any additional pointers on this topic?
I can say just get involved. Be proactive about it. Yeah. Make sure you're joining those groups. Make sure you're updating your profile. If it's not updated, I'm telling you, you won't get a job, because what am I looking for if I'm looking for a job? Yeah. Recruiters are out there always. So just always be active on LinkedIn. Somehow, yeah, you might end up getting a job through LinkedIn. Yeah, but you have to be active. Nobody will do it for you. Yeah. Yeah. It's part of social media. You can't say I don't do social media. Yeah. Yeah, it's part of it. All right. You have to be active and present in this social media. Yeah.
And active by posting relevant stuff.
Yeah, don't start putting, sometimes you find things on, like, people will judge you sometimes. Like, if, let's say I'm looking for a general manager or a CEO, and then I go to their wall and maybe the things they're posting are, unquestionable things. You'll judge them. You are humans. We have a thing that we judge you. Bias, so make sure you're posting things that will help other professional. It's a professional platform. Yes. Post professional things. Yes. If it's something that is making a joke, it's okay. But not every day you're posting jokes. It doesn't work like that. Yeah. You can post a joke and to make it ice, but post things that are relevant. People will come and read and repost for you. That's how you keep getting connections.
Forming networks.
Yeah, that's how you form networks on LinkedIn. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Thank you for that insightful session. I'm glad to have you, and thank you for your time today.
You're welcome.
All right. Thank you for joining me in this video where we discuss how to use LinkedIn as a job search strategy. LinkedIn is a big platform filled with professionals, filled with recruiters looking for people to fill different positions. And as you've heard, it has a lot of potential for you to find a job in different companies. We discuss a lot of job strategies, interview skills, CV writing skills on this channel. So please subscribe, share, leave a comment on what you want us to discuss, and we will see you in the next video.